In this video I'm going to show you how to scroll your TikTok hands-free on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so just follow these simple steps and let's begin. First you need to open up your settings and get in accessibility. Here select voice control, then select customize commands, create new command, and here let's type in some phrase that you would pronounce to make some action. I'll show you how I do that. I'll type here next, then select action and select run custom gesture. Now you need to make a gesture like you normally do on TikTok. I will make swipe from the bottom to the top, but you need to know that you must make the gesture exactly like you do in your application. I will explain. You shouldn't do gesture like that, slowly swiping down, swiping up from the bottom to the top, because this feature will repeat your gesture exactly like you do in the application. So now I cancel that gesture and now I make like I should do. So swipe from the bottom to the top fast, like that, and then tap save and go back for a step. And here let's select application and in the list let's select TikTok. Here it is. Go back and save our action. Go back for a step again, and we need to enable voice control. And now we can check how it works. Let's open up TikTok and see. Next, 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 next. That works, and you can check it out, and you can also add some custom commands like back or whatever you want. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.